Okay, we are going to be making a really gorgeous shimmery wave soap that is also ridiculously easy to make. It is so pretty, yet so easy to make. I guarantee anybody can make this soap. If you can work a microwave and a paintbrush, you can make this soap. So I already did start with one because I was going to do two of these colors, but I think I'm going to do a different color. But the color I did use in here is this Rose Pearl Mica from Brambleberry. So now I'm going to take this Sapphire Blue Mica Pigment and a brush, and we're going to take that mica and we're going to paint our mold with it, dust it. And you can be kind of heavy-handed with this, or you can go light. It's really your preference. And we're just going to dust it all over the mold. And actually, while I'm doing this, I am going to heat up my soap base. So I have it cut up already. It's a triple base. It's goat milk, shea butter, and mango butter. Okay, I'm going to wash my brush and then we'll do the last two. Okay, now I'm going to take this blue mica, and this is what I'm going to use for the last two. It's actually a color shift mica, both this and the purple are. But I can see the color shift more in the blue than I can in the purple. Okay, so our mold is now ready, and that was super quick too. So I'm just going to wait for my soap to finish melting. So I'm actually going to split it up because I'm going to use a men's fragrance in the blue ones. So for the men's, I'm going to use this Shave and a Haircut fragrance oil from Brambleberry. And I'm going to put about 6 ml in there. And I'm going to pour it in. Oh, that was almost perfect, and I just eyeballed it too. And for the other two, I'm going to use this Brambleberry's Black Opium type. So this smells like the Black Opium perfume. Oh, I might not have enough. I don't. Okay, I'm going to spray it with my 99% alcohol. Okay, so I'm going to wait for those to harden, and then off camera I'm just going to make a little bit more soap to finish that last mold, and then I will come back. Okay, our soaps are hardened, and it is time to unroll them. We'll start with the Rose Pearl. Oh, the purple didn't come out very good. how pretty that is. Oh, I just think that's so gorgeous. Like, look at those. Look how pretty that is. I think that is just gorgeous. For as easy as that was. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy tutorial. Real quick, I wanted to mention that if you're not happy with how much of the mica showed up after you unmold it, you can always take some more and put it on afterwards. Look how much more vibrant that looks now. Oh, that's gorgeous. And I actually put some of the blue on the purple, so it's like two-toned now. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Okay, I wanted to mention that though.